Hey guys, I'm Etta Rosa with Etta Rosa LLC. We offer paralegal services, but we also offer legal professional development training. So this is kind of where this video is coming from. That's kind of my portion of the company that we're focusing on now, helping legal professionals develop and enhance the skills that they need. You can also look at my 6 skills from the American Bar Association to enhance and to work on. I'll have the link there, and at the end of the video you can actually click on directly on it. So without further ado, today we're going to talk about 5 ways you can gain experience without actually getting it. How do we do that? Oh no. All right, guys. So I know you've probably been struggling, you've been, applying and you've been getting no's because you have no experience, right? So, I mean, how are you going to get experience if they don't give you the experience? I got you. So we're going to go over these 5 simple ways you can do it. And some of them will pertain to you, some of them won't. Everybody's different, so take it with a grain of salt. Okay? All right, cool beans. All right, so the first one is legal aid or nonprofit organizations. These organizations, since their budgets are so low and their, access to people is not as great as these high-end firms that can offer these luxurious benefit packages, they are more inclined to take basically anyone, not anyone, I didn't mean it that way, but they're more inclined to take you in and train you and give you that experience. A lot of people, including attorneys, do this after law school. They go into either state, courts, basically jobs from the court, like state attorney or state defense or whatever the case is, to get that experience so that they can go ahead and get, an actual, the job that they want at a law firm. Some people stay in the state. Some people actually fall in love with it. There's nothing wrong with it. But if it's not your goal and you're trying to get to a 5-star law firm or a boutique firm, and get those, good benefits and high-end, pay, it really depends on your goal and what you're trying to accomplish with your legal career in general. So those are always a good start to look for, any nonprofit or legal aid in general. Legal aid, I believe, is nationwide, not sure, don't quote me on it, but legal aid is a pretty big one when it comes to nonprofit. So start there, see what you have. You can also look at part-time jobs and instead of the full-time job, and then just work another job to kind of compensate. Again, it depends on your financial status and what you're trying to accomplish, but that is another option that you can do part-time and just gain the experience from a part-time position. Not a lot of people are willing to do part-time, so that lessens the competition. Another one that's super, relevant to the part-time is entry-level. So I know everybody wants to be straight to that position, whether it's attorney, a paralegal, an office manager, whatever position you're trying to get at a law firm. I know you're trying to go straight into it, but sometimes that's not going to happen. So we got to be real with ourselves, and we have to say, okay, well, we all have to start somewhere. So whether it's a receptionist position, an intake person, a billing clerk like I started as a billing clerk and worked my way up into an executive paralegal position. So, no shame in my game, but I proved myself and I worked my way up, but I started as a billing clerk. So that's always a good option for you to get your foot in the door and really prove yourself once you're in the door. Another option would be interning. So a lot of internships are not paid, but some of them are paid. So it depends, again, on your financial status, on what you're trying to accomplish, on your deadline, on your goal, whatever the case may be. But internship is always a good one. Always my go-to when it comes to that. And there's a lot of internship programs for legal professionals in general. Most of them are focused on law clerking, second to third JD holders, but it is what it is. So that's also another option. And last but definitely not least, attend webinars and any skill enhancing, programs, which Etta Rosa LLC offers plenty of them, but there's a lot of out there, a lot of other companies that offer it as well. Especially if you're a certified paralegal, they definitely will offer you as a member a lot of, skill enhancing information as well. So that's, you know, just to get certifications under your belt, you can go to LexisNexis. They have certification programs. Westlaw has certification programs. All these, you know, programs that are offered to you under membership. So if you're already a member to any of these organizations, or look at the organization that you are a member or are looking to be a member, and that will definitely help you make your decision a lot quicker and a lot easier as to whether or not you want to be a member of that organization, because they will also offer you programs and things like that. But those are my little tidbits. Hope this helped a little bit. But if you have any other questions, you can always, you know, communicate with me through social media. You can leave a comment down below, whatever it is you need. There'll be a lot more of these to come regarding interview and then the after process, the aftermath when you're already actually at the law firm, what you should do in order to grow and really prove yourself. So all these are coming up soon. It's part of my new paralegal skills enhancement and legal professional enhancement program. So definitely, you know, keep an eye out for those. And until justice is served, I'll see you.